Welcome. In this video, we're going to cover units of measure and container tare weights. Let's get started. Click on Inventory, go to Units of Measure, and we'll add one. We'll do gallon, and we'll do quart. And here's where they appear and where you can use them. I know we're not doing this to a Macintosh Apple, but notice they now appear in the drop-down list. There's the quart. The gallon was at the top. It is that easy. Okay, we don't want to change this, so we're going to go back. And now let's cover container tare weights. I'm going to leave that open right now. Container tare weights are used with the product, such as you have a deli bar. It's a weighed item, but the container itself has weight. So you pre-weigh that container before you put it out there, so you know what it weighs. So it's a half-gallon container, a gallon container. So when that customer comes up to the register, the cashier puts it in, it prompts them for the tare container, and it automatically takes the weight off of the price. Like we have gallon, half gallon. We even support a customer supplied container. You can number them. There are other alternatives also. Let's go pick a weight item. And you also want to use tare weight. You would click that on there. And you can preset the tare container. If you do, it just automatically takes it off. It doesn't prompt them. If you leave it blank, it will prompt the cashier for what container it is. That's how easy it is to deal with container tare weights. We will see you on the next video.